Hello everybody, so while I'm out for today, I have arranged a lesson for you to complete individually in the classroom. Everyone has been assigned an element, and you're basically going to be researching your element while I'm gone so that we can have presentations on them and get to know a little bit about the periodic table by the time I get back. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into Prezi.com. And when we get to this page, we're just going to simply click login, whether you have a login or not. And then with your school provided Google account or your own account, whichever one you would prefer to use in the classroom, you can click to use that. Since I already have an account, I don't have to make an account. I'll just log in from here. And then as you can see, I have created a presentation that you are readily available to use, but since you're not going to be able to use mine, you're going to have to create your own. So you will click New Presentation. Then you will slide over to the Education tab on the left. And at the very bottom of the Education tab, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows down, is a option for the 3D atom. You want to use this template, and you will have to share it with anyone on the web, so you can use the free version, and then you will title your presentation whatever the name of your atom is. So for instance, my atom / element that I got was neon. So I'll continue with neon. This may take a little while for it to download, but once you get inside of it, everything should be easy after that. Now, since I already have a presentation that I have created for you, I'm going to exit out of this basic version and show you all of the steps that you will need to complete. So under mine, it's just labeled atom. You'll click play. This is for when you're going to present, and everything on your presentation that needs to be there is located on the screen with directions. So the first step is you will edit your element, and you will put the name of your element in this general section. You'll then hit the first box, which is the symbol box. You will just simply put a picture of your atomic number, your atomic weight, the symbol, and the name. You can easily get one of these pictures off Google, but don't forget to include the citation for it as well. You will then go to the second step, which is the details. You will explain your atomic number and weight and why it is those numbers. And then if you click on the plus sign, which is located in box 1, it will ask you for the number of protons with an image. And then the -1 is the number of electrons. Include the electrons for stable atoms and isotopes. So the stable atom is what you would generally see on the periodic table, while an isotope may be something different that you find out about in your research. The third step is going to be show and tell. So this is where you will be able to tell the class who founded the element, how they founded the element, and if there was anything interesting with that. In your box 1 for this one, you will basically say how your element was discovered. So for the first part, it is the founder with videos and images. And then if you need more room or want to go into more detail, this is where you would add how your element was discovered. The fourth part is uses. So each element has a different use on Earth. So I would like you to explain different uses that people may use on a daily basis for this element, and if it's an uncommon one, how is it used on Earth, or why is it on Earth? And then lastly, all of your works cited for where you got your information, and all of your pictures can be included on here. For pictures, you don't have to use any sort of format, just provide the link to the picture so I know that that is where you got it. And then you eventually will want to hit the drop down button over here under File. You'll click Save, and then for your class presentations, you'll be able to easily open this and hopefully when I get back, you'll all be ready to go.